Zebra 5, Mike London, contest. And number 4. Charlie Zulu 4, please again. I'm sorry, my friend, very weak signal. Thank you, maybe after. It's 4 Zulu 5, Mike Lima, 4 Zebra 5, Mike London, counted. Not on my frequency, Yankee Echo, please. Again, Oscar Radio. Okay, Yankee Echo to Delta Ontario Radio. Good afternoon, thank you. You're 5964, 64, can you tell? Number to you is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4. 64, Kyoto. Yes, Kyoto. Thank you. Good luck in the contest. 65, Kyoto. Thank you and good luck. Have anything? It's 4 Zulu 5 Mike Lima contest. Take your contest, 4 Zulu 5 Mike Lima, 4 Zebra 5 Mike London contest. Hello, take your contest, 4 Zulu 5 Mike Lima, it's 4 Zebra 5 Mike London, 4 Zanzibar 5 Mike Lima, take your contest.
Anyway, good afternoon. It's afternoon when this is being recorded. Only God knows what it is when you're looking at it. But this is my Yaesu FT-707. And this came in that big pile of stuff I got last year, or almost 2 years ago now, I suppose. But I remember I did plug this in. And it released a big plume of smoke out of the back of it, so I sent it down to Ray, and he got it going again, because I wouldn't even contemplate going near even something this old. I wouldn't even think about it, because no. So he did what he had to do with it, and he done an LED conversion on the dial. So we get him back now. It's a little off here, but you know, on a radio at this age, that's allowed. On 20 meters, it's a bit better. I have no mic for it at the moment. I just have this. I can just key it here. Give her the beans. So working good. So what I've done with this is I give it a good clean, and the bezel was badly scratched, so I taped it, which is kind of a quick and dirty fix. We put all the knobs in the ultrasonic bath, and we cleaned everything up. so it's quite tidy. The cases were very bad, so they're here. I have them stripped back to bare steel, and I need to get some primer and paint for those. It's a totally original example. It doesn't have CB in it at all. It's never been modified. So it's whoop, wrong way. So 80, 40, 30, 20, 17, 15, 12. Then you have 4 portions of oh, I didn't notice that. Anyway, you have 4 portions of the 10-meter band, so it covers it all. I always wanted one of these. Funny enough, these were badged as a mobile transceiver when they were being sold. And I remember a guy in town here, 60L, EI60L, God be good to him, he's silent key now, but I remember him having one of these hanging under the dash of his Mark 1 Toyota Celica with a massive aerial out of the back of it. I remember that. But the plan is, I want to keep this, and we're going to get the cases sorted out and get it all back together. We'll do the usual, all new screws and blah blah blah, and we might do a bit of hilltopping and stuff with this. I had to make a power cable for it. I didn't have a power cable, so these use a Jones connector. So there was one here on an old Yaesu supply I had, so I just cut it off and I made a lead. And we have some nice heavy cable there, so we might use it for a bit of hilltopping or stuff like that. Sling up a bit of a dipole and bring this tuner with me and see what happens. So I suppose the next step now is I need to get my hands on a microphone. I have to root through the box. I'm pretty sure I do have a Yaesu one in the box there somewhere. So we'll have a look and see what we can rig up for a microphone for it. But a lovely set. Always liked them, you know, and it does pretty much everything you want it to do. So we might even have a bit of crack and build some sort of an interface to run this on FT8, just for the giggles more than anything else, and see how it performs. But yeah, lovely old thing. You know, like you look inside the 7300 compared to what's going on in here, you'll see how much things have advanced. You know, it's so much neater inside, and that's just one board. You know, there's another one underneath that, and then the PA is on the back, but she's quite solid. One of these funny contests where you have to give your age. All Asia contest. So you see, there's me sticker I had on the side. Magic smoke released. So I suppose we can take that off now. There's something to do with there's capacitors in these, filter capacitors that go bad. So we just left it to him to sort it out, which he did. It cleaned up quite well. The front panel is in good condition. It's not all scratched to hell and stuff wore off it, so I'm quite pleased about that. And the knobs came up lovely once we ran them through the ultrasonic cleaner. So next step, as I said, we'll get these primed and painted and I have a bit more work to do with them yet. We'll give them a good sanding before we prime them. Probably etch prime them and just hit them with some satin black. And it'll be good to go. He's on 435. See, is there anyone anywhere else? Oh, fortunately not. See, little off. Like, I don't know, it's probably the guts of 40 years old. I always liked the meter. Like, he's a decent signal. Yeah, so that's the crack. This FT-707. So over time we'll get it to look the way we want it to look. Just thought I'd make a little video and show you. Anyway, we'll leave it there for this one, and we'll get you in the next one. All the best. Bye bye.